So if I'm in the program and I start out as a kindergartner, do I stay all the way until I'm in 8th grade? Is it like you have multiple, I'm going to have a lemonade stand every day? I mean, not every year, of course not every day, but every
nice.
year or multiple times? I mean, how does it progress?
We would love it if a kindergartner started and then went all the way through 8th grade and stayed involved with us. But we usually have kids start, even though we can start in kindergarten, they're usually getting involved around the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. Those are the most popular grades. And that has to do with us doing studies of showing when an adult entrepreneur like yourself, when you had your aha moment as a child to realize you had that drive in you, and that's usually around the age, probably because of literacy skills and the ability to get on a bike and go buy your lemons or what have you. So we would love it if they would continue, and a lot of them do, a huge percentage, and we try to get the business results and the surveys back from them. But naturally, they will run their stand, and then they'll change it and morph it into a different business. We do have some alumni, some very famous ones that have product in H-E-B and Target that have continued with their lemonade brand. But we also have a lot that have changed it into toys. For instance, we have two brothers that launched it. It's called Trash Bots, and it's toys made out of recycled trash. So they change it into their passions and desires throughout the years. And then we do stay connected with them and offer them different avenues and different organizations to help them grow their business.